Swahili. Jambo. Hello. Have you ever wondered about the secret to reading and writing Kiswahili like a pro? Karibu kwenye somo letu la mizizi ya Kiswahili.
Welcome, karibu. Karibu is the Swahili word for welcome.
Welcome to a lesson about the roots of the Kiswahili language.
Habari gani, Beijing to DC.
Leo tunajifunza alfabeti. Today we are learning about the Kiswahili alphabet. The roots of the Kiswahili language. Mastering the Kiswahili alphabet is important because it's the foundation upon which the language is built. An alphabet is a set of letters that represent the basic sounds of a language. The Kiswahili alphabet is referred to as alfabeti ya Kiswahili. Alfabeti ya Kiswahili. Alfabeti ya Kiswahili. Alfabeti ya Kiswahili. Glad to be your Swahili guide.
Swahili spirit universe, yeah, the vibe is so alive.
Letters are called herufi in Kiswahili. Letters herufi. Letters herufi. Letters herufi. Herufi. Letters herufi. Letters herufi. Letters herufi. Fortunately for all English, French, Spanish, and all other Western world language speakers, the Kiswahili alphabet has the same letters as these languages. That's because Kiswahili uses the same letters as most Western world languages based on the Latin script. However, there are two things that differentiate the Swahili alphabet from other Western world alphabets. The first difference is in the pronunciation. Secondly, Kiswahili does not use the letters Q or X. Kwa hivyo, alfabeti ya Kiswahili inatumia herufi 24 badala ya 26. Therefore, the Kiswahili alphabet uses 24 letters instead of the usual 26 letters of the alphabet. These 24 letters make up the entire sound and writing system of the Kiswahili language.
Let's get into the Kiswahili sound system. Of the vowels, so it sounds like followed by the 4 other vowels: e, o, u. E, o, u. Then we have the second herufi or letter b, and it sounds like ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Next is the third letter. In English, we would call it the letter C, but in Kiswahili, the rules are slightly different. This letter never appears by itself in the language of the motherland. It's always followed by the letter which we would call H in the English language. The combination sounds like cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. The sounds made by this fourth letter are da, de, di, do, do. Da, de, di, do, do. Here we have fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Fa like in fam, fe like in fence, fi like in fickle, fo like in fork, fu like in full. Then we have ga, ge, gi, go. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. 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 Letter E of the vowels, the 5 little vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Followed by ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. The letter from the birthplace of Kiswahili. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Ka, Kazakhstan. Ke, Kenya. Ki, Kiribati. Ko, Kosovo. Ku, Kuwait. La, le, li, lo, lu.
La, le, li, lo, lu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu.
Na, ne, ni, no, nu. All of the vowels, 5 little vowels. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. Herufi pa, pe, pi, po, pu.
Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Herufi r. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru.
Herufi s. Letter S. Sa, se, si, so, su. Sa, se, si, so, su. Sa, se, si, so, su. Ta, te, tito, tu. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Ta, te, tito, tu. Herufi U. U of the vowels, 5 little vowels. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. Herufi V. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Finally, we have Herufi Z, za, ze, zi, zo. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu. So what about the writing system? Before we get into it, let's note that Kiswahili is a phonetic language. That means Kiswahili is written as it sounds. Therefore, read and pronounce Kiswahili words and letters to write and spell them correctly. Kiswahili is that easy to grasp. Better yet, learning Kiswahili is the bridge that links us to be able to approach other languages better. Superpowers from learning Kiswahili.
Pole pole, usiogope safari. Hatua ndogo zina maana kubwa. Kila siku ni nafasi mpya. Moyo wako unakuwa taratibu. Usijilinganishe na